Hey, what is up YouTube? Thank you very much for tuning into my channel, Lando Tech, and boy, have I got some interesting news for you. In a previous video, I showed you how to install a Super Nintendo emulator on Chromecast with Google TV. In this video, I'll show you how to install an N64 emulator. Before you begin, you're going to need a controller. Not that one. You're going to need a gamepad controller. If you don't already have one, I have a link in my description where you can get this beautiful specimen that I found on Amazon for a very reasonable price. And if you need to know how to connect your game controller to your Chromecast, I have a video right here detailing that. To begin installing your N64 emulator, you'll need to make sure your Chromecast has developer mode enabled. To do that, go to Settings, System, About, scroll down to Android TV OS build, and click on it repeatedly until it says, "You are now a developer," and you didn't even need a bootcamp or a diploma. Click the back arrow, scroll down to Developer Options, and ensure it's turned on. Press the back arrow again, go to Privacy. Security, and turn on Scan Apps with Play Protect. Press the back arrow a couple more times until you're back at the home screen. Now, go to the Apps tab. Click the search box and search for Downloader. Click Downloader and then click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Open. Click Allow when prompted for permissions, and then click OK. In the search box, type N64 ROMs. Now click the emulatorgames.net URL. Download a ROM of your choice. I'm going for Mario Kart 64. Please note your Chromecast might struggle if your games are graphically heavy because Chromecast does not lift, bro. Click Save and the download will begin. Once completed, click Done. Now click the Emulators tab. Select Nintendo 64. Now select the emulator of your choice. I'm going with MuPen 64 Plus. Click Download Emulator and the download will begin. Once completed, click Install. If you receive this prompt, go into Settings, turn the switch on beside Downloader, and click Install. Once installed, click Open. Then click Allow. Now scroll over to the top right of the screen and click the Reload icon. Scroll to and open the Download folder. Now open the Downloader folder. Then click the ROM file you downloaded. Scroll to the OK button and select it. Your ROM file is now loaded. Scroll down to the ROM file and click to launch it. You'll get a little bit of lag and choppiness while playing, but it's still a very decent experience overall. I'll leave it up to you to experiment with different types of games and see which one runs the smoothest for you. There you have it. You now know how to play N64 games on your Chromecast. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, please click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe by clicking my logo at the bottom right of this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video.